Hello friends. So myself Dr. Anil Palve, presently working as a head Department of Chemistry at Mahatma Phule Arts Science Commerce College Panvel. Let us start with the interesting topic, that is digital web sources. Actually this topic is under the research methodology in literature survey, and this is the important point as far as your PG first year is concerned, because this will help you for your academic research purpose. So what is the definition of this? The definition is: the web source is research information about a specific topic you find online. It can be an e-journal, e-magazine, online peer-reviewed journals, web pages, forums, and blogs, newspapers are electronic sources, web sources, and internet sources. So this particular point has been purposely introduced because before 30 years, 40 years, the online digital platform was not available. But due to the digital revolution, right now, the each and every content of research like books as well as research articles, journals, sources, database, each and everything is available online. So there are different types of web sources such as websites, online articles. Particularly, we are going to learn this with respect to your research sources. So websites are online platform that can contain a variety of information including articles, reports, data and multimedia content that can be created by individual organization, institution or businesses. Then we have online articles. Many publications such as newspaper, magazines, journals now have online version that publish articles or other content exclusively on the internet. These online articles can be valuable sources for information of research. Dear students, actually before like couple of years, like 2 decades, actually all these contents are available in hard copy like journal or books, but it is not that much readily available in rural areas or some the areas where these facilities are not available. Only these resources are available at the Institute of National Repute, but nowadays, due to the digital revolution, all these resources are available on our mobile phones, cell phones, or the internet on desktop. So these sources are website as well as the online articles, and all these are available right now on different websites. In addition to that, different databases are also available. Digital depositories are also there, and blogs and forums are also there. So these are the web sources online available for you students. Like databases, there online databases stores and organize large collection of information such as academic journals, research book, research papers, books, and more. Many librarian and academic institutions provide access to the subscription based databases that offer a wealth of scholarly resources. Dear students, right now in our library or in many library, these sources are available in library. You can go ahead with library and you can check all the subscribed journal in the library. Some of journals are open access journals, so you can also have a look into that particular journal and you can utilize these web sources for your research purpose. Let me talk one point on this ground. The government of India has declared one nation, one subscription. So now the policy is going to come that each and every stakeholder like students, faculty members, institution, they will have the full access, open access for all the journals, and it will be provided by Government of India. Then we have digital repositories. Like digital repositories are online platforms that store and provide access to digital collections of research outputs such as academic papers, theses, dissertations, a database, and more. These repositories are often used for achieving and sharing scholarly work. So such type of repositories are available in the different libraries in our Government of India. Infinite facilities also available. Through that, we are going to get the various access of various journals. Then blogs and forums are also there as a web resource. Like blogs or online forums can be a source of information, opinions, and discussion or various topics. While they may not be always be considered scholarly resources, they can provide the valuable insight and perspective on specific subject. Now let me clear one point to all of you, that this type of forums are there. There are many private forum or like government forums. They are having the lot of information, bunch of information, but this is not considered as a like scholarly resources. But from that you will get the maximum information, the valuable information. So this is also a form of a web source that you have to keep in mind. There are many social media right now, such as Facebook are there. Then we have WhatsApp and different groups and groups available in Facebook, or there are many more web sources related to the social media. And you can see that Google Scholar is there, Library of Congress is there, PubMed Central is there, Google Books are there, then Government is there, Digital Commons Network is there, ResearchGate is there, and University Library is there. So all these resources come under the heading of web sources, and right now these all web sources are available in your mobile as well as on desktop. Through internet you can access this. The only requirement is you should have the internet on your mobile phone. So such type of web resources can be available. In web resources there is the important aspect, that is e-journals. I have mentioned you that the e-journal is the new revolution in the web resources, and right now the many journal or maximum all journals are get converted into e-journals, because right now the all the stakeholders are checking their research articles through internet only. So every journal is now become a e-journal. E-journal or electronic journals are digital version of scholarly publications available online. They are an electronic counterpart to traditional print journals, offering an efficient and convenient way to access and distribute academic research and scholarly content. So through these in e-journals we have access of our scholarly research article. So these are the examples of the e-journals. Just I have put the two journals like Frontiers Material and ACS Omega. Frontiers Material is also the open access journal. American Chemical Society's ACS Omega is also open access journal, where you will get the all access of the research articles. It is freely available for readers. They are not creating any barrier right now. Initially we have subscription option, but right now many journals are converting their subscription to the open access, gold open access uh, subscription. So where reader can access each and every research article published by the journals. So this is like uh, The journal of antibiotics, it is available online where you can submit the papers, you can have the information on authors guidelines, how to publish paper, what are the different criteria, what are the aims and objective of the e-journal. So this is available. If you go on each and every journals, the main home page, you will get all detailed information about uh, that particular journals. There are few advantages and disadvantages of the e-journals. In advantages, you can find some very interesting advantages such as simultaneous access, then links to related items. So if you are searching something, you will have the links to similar type of research paper articles. So you can go ahead with that particular journal, you can check that research article and which one is related to that. Those who have cited that particular research article, you can click on that link and you can have the more access of research papers. Altering services, save cell space, access anytime anywhere. This is very important advantage of e-journal. Like you can access it from any time at anywhere, because like suppose if journal is present in hard copy or books is present in library, then in office hour only you can have that access, or sometimes you have to borrow that textbook. But here in this case in e-journals, no need of carrying anything. Just go ahead with your mobiles or desktop and search this research article. First publish online, available quicker than the print. Suppose print takes some times, again it reach to readers also takes time. But if it is digitally available within a second, so the readers can have that particular facility. So the disadvantage are as follows, like technical barriers, hardware and software networks, connection, etc. Bandwidth and local shielding issues are there. Requires skill and training to use. Cost of cost to acquire e-resources can be high, and user unfriendliness depends on the platform. So these are the few disadvantage of the e-journals.